I hate this. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to class now. What is up? So in today's video, we are gonna do a get ready with me na chatty na school makeup routine. This is the final look. And if you wanna know how I got this, or if you just wanna listen to me blab, just keep on watching. Bam, zombie mode. So it's so ironic that we are gonna film a get ready with me na school makeup because I hate school. Aga ko nagising, so I decided to film a video. First, I'm gonna use a toner. This is the Floral. This is the Fresh Royal. This is the Fresh Rose Floral toner. So this is really good. I love this because it really moisturizes your face. So invest. So invest on a good toner. So yeah, and I also love this because it has a spray, so easy to use. I'm just gonna spray this all over my face before makeup. Plus it smells really good, so invest on skincare. Then I'm just gonna let that dry. So for school makeup, super simple lang yung makeup ko for school. Like I wear foundation, I don't know, but I like wearing foundation. But ako lang yan. So yeah, after that dries, I am gonna use my moisturizer now because moisturizing is really important, especially if you have dry skin. So I'm just using this, the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factor. So this is also really good. Okay. Also, I'm filming from my makeup table because like I was supposed to film there, like sa may setup, my usual setup area. Then wala, feel ko nakakatamad na and I still have class in an hour. So dito na lang. Plus here kasi may lights na, so I don't have to use my ring light and plug it in anymore. So dito na lang. Okay, so moisturize that shit out of your face. Okay, so yeah, like what I said, I like to keep my makeup in school very fresh, very natural, and very glowy. So okay, after moisturizing, I am gonna prep my face with my Badescu key. I don't know, facial spray. So this also smells like rose, just like my toner. So yeah, lately sobrang addict ko sa rose scented thing. So and then I'm just gonna put lip balm while waiting kasi sobrang dry talaga ng lips ko. I use a lip balm every day. So this is the Glossier Birthday Balm.com. So this is my favorite. Like I use this in all my makeup videos if you saw the rest. So plus it smells really good. Once my skin is dry, I am gonna put some toner now. So this has been my go-to toner ever since. I used to use like the Smashbox toner. I mean like primer pala. Ano ba yan? I feel like I'm so bangag pa. But yeah, this is my go-to primer. This is the Too Faced primer, Hangover RX. So this is really good. It smells like coconut then. So yeah, lately sobrang hilig ko sa mga amoy coconut, amoy rose. Hindi ko alam bakit. But yeah, it smells good. So yeah, this is really good. You have to use primer kasi syempre na school ko the whole day and your makeup has to stay in place. So finally done prepping. I will try to use like drugstore and affordable products in this video because syempre I feel like you don't wanna spend a lot of makeup on your face when you're just going to school kasi bakit? School lang yun. Pumunta ka lang para mag-aral. Wow, for me ha. So yeah, okay, after prepping my face, I will put on some foundation. And for school, I always use this foundation. This is the Ordinary Foundation Lightweight Serum Formula. So I have two of these. Yung isa high coverage, yung isa lightweight. So I use this kasi yun nga, pag sa school, I like to keep it very natural and this foundation lasts the whole day. Pati sobrang light niya lang, so hindi mabigat sa face. Plus, it's really cheap. It's less than 1,000 pesos. The only thing is that you can't get this here in the Philippines sa store, so you have to get from my Instagram shop. If you guys are interested, I will put the link down in the description box where I got this. But yeah, this is really good. Drugstore. Super mura. 600 or 500, I'm not sure. Basta mura. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my beauty blender with this. This is my beauty blender. Super cute na to. New color. just gonna wet my beauty blender. For foundation, di naman super dami nilalagay ko. Sobrang unti lang. Like that. See, it's super liquidy, super lightweight niya lang. But I feel like hindi naman required mag-foundation. It's just my personal preference na naka-foundation ako because I'm not really a concealer fan. Like, I used to not wear concealer before. And then I'm just gonna blend that. Yun nga, personal preference lang naman if you want to use foundation or concealer. But me, personally, mas gusto ko concealer because I'm not really mas gusto ko foundation because I'm not really a concealer girl. Like, I just started wearing concealer this year. Oh, ayan. Sobrang light niya lang. Just to cover my redness around my nose because yun yung pinaka-red sa buong face ka. I was just talking to my cousin last night. Sabi ko, sobrang hassle ng makeup. Like, you don't want to do it but you have to. Kasi syempre, gusto mo, cute ka. Sabi ko, sana may permanent makeup na lang. I mean, like, there's permanent eyebrows and then lately may permanent lips na. Like, sana may permanent foundation, permanent blush, permanent blush, bronzer, highlighter, lahat para wala nang ganito everyday. Imagine if pagkagising mo, boom, bis ka, ligo, and then bis ka na agad. No more freaking makeup. But still, I love makeup, so hassle lang. Kasi nakakatamad minsan. And then, I'm gonna use my concealer now. This is my favorite concealer. I think this is everyone's favorite concealer. So, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm in the shade 20 Stand, so buti na lang, I don't have any pimples lately. And then, blend that. Please leave it down in the description box what you think is better. So, okay. I actually have a lot of travels this year, so yeah, a lot of travel vlogs coming your way. Okay, and then I'm gonna set with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder as well. So this is really good. I always use this when I go to school kasi mura lang siya. So, hindi masakit sa heart. And then I'm just gonna put on bronzer. So this is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer in the shade Milk Chocolate. So yeah, sobrang big difference ng bronzer, guys. I actually don't have any idea kung ano yung okay na drugstore bronzers. If you guys know anything, please leave them in the description box because I need some drugstore bronzers because this is the only bronzer I've owned. This is the first bronzer na binili ko in my whole lifetime. So yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on affordable bronzers, please help me. Okay, so put some bronzer on. Sobrang aga ko natulog last night. That's why ang aga ko nagising. I think I slept at around 11. That is why I was up ng sobrang aga. Yup, 11 is early for me. And then we shall move on with the blush. So I'm just gonna use my BLK lip tints. I also have 4 of them. Harder. So yeah, I gave away 4 of these then. But then nagustuhan ko sila, so I got. I mean, ito dapat yung giveaway ko. Pero hindi ko na-test, inopen ko, tinry ko. And I didn't want to give away makeup na nagamit ko na. So, I kept the first batch and then I ordered another one para ibigay sa giveaway. So yeah, I really like them. They're super affordable. I think 200 plus. And then they're really good. So that is why I kept them. So my favorite is the orange one. Kaso I think that's not appropriate for school. So I'm just gonna use, what were we gonna use? Pink, red, or cherry. Let's use pink. So yeah, I'm just gonna use pink. So super love this. Also, this is not sponsored. Also, if you guys are wondering what my course is, I study in De La Salle College of St. Benilde, and then my course is culinary arts. So yeah, okay. And then I put like some here then kasi uso yung drunk blush. Okay, I'm good. Okay. Ayan, drunk blush. Super love the drunk blush method. So funny actually kasi my routine ako when it's like the first few weeks of school, sobrang ayos ko. Like I put makeup, I make sure I shower every day. I make sure ko cute ako. But then when it's like the last few weeks of school, sobrang whatever. I don't even I don't even shower anymore. What? Like, pagkagising ko, lalo na pag na-late na ako, like, fuck that. Toothbrush, wash my face, wash my body, bam, uniform, off to school. Okay, and then after that, let's put on some highlighter. So this is the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Wisp. So sobrang luma na niya. I think I got this. This is my first highlighter ever. This is the start of my highlighter hoarding. And I got this when I was a first year college student. So sobrang cute niya. And I like the champagne. I like it's super natural kasi now you can wear it to school lang. So yeah, this is what I use for school. Let's move on to the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I just use my favorite Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade. Anastasia is really a good brand for eyebrow. Like, I've never used anything else nung nag-start ako sa kanila. For 3 years, ito na yung gamit ko. So for eyebrows, I'm not really a fan of the like thick, bold eyebrows. So just as long as may kilay na ako, mukha na akong tao, okay na. Okay, that's good. This is the first time I'm going to this class actually. Like, may 2 meetings na. And I wasn't able to go. So today is my first day. And I hope the prof is nice. Kasi sobrang nakakawalang gana if you don't get along with the prof, I swear to God. Like, ako lang ba yun? Or like, is everyone like that? Pag hindi mo maka-vibe, not naman maka-vibe, if hindi mo makasundo yung prof, sobrang hassle. And I'm not really like one of those students na sip-sip sa prof. Ever since high school, I wasn't like that. Like, get real. I mean, no shade if you're nice to your teachers. I mean, that's required. You have to be nice to your teachers, of course. But then, it's just so annoying when I see people who are so sip-sip. Like, I hate it. Actually, this is good now. But then, let's put on lip tint. So, I'm using the BLK lip and cheek tint again in the shade pink. So, I am actually wearing my chef pants. I'm so weird. Okay, and then okay, that's better actually. Oh, I'm just gonna add so I just ordered like liquid eyeshadows kasi parang a lot of people have been using it lately. So I got these Pixie by Petra liquid fairy lights and this BLK cosmetics. They're both liquid eyeshadows, so let's just try them. I mean, I'm just gonna use this, the BLK one. I think this is 200 pesos and I'm just gonna try them today if okay ba. This is my first time using liquid eyeshadow, so let's see if I will like it. And here. So I don't really put eyeshadow usually pag like a normal day, but since ang dami kong time today, so I don't know how to use this. I think tama. Wow, this is actually not bad. This is cute. And this is super fast. I like it. Wow. I don't know if you can see it. I think super on talaga ko, but yeah, it's really simple lang. The shade is Cute. Yeah, that's the name of the shade, Cute. Okay, and then I'm just gonna set that again with my powder. Sobrang cute ng liquid eyeshadow. And then for the mascara, before kasi I use mascara on a daily basis. And then I got lash lifts, so hindi na ako nag-mascara. I'm gonna show you guys. Ayan. Hindi ko yan oh my god, ang pangit ko. But yeah, hindi ko yan kinurl or anything. That's just a lash lift and walang mascara yan. But yeah, but I'm gonna curl it na lang para mas ganun. I'm just gonna curl this. So yeah, ayan, okay na yan. Okay, so we are done with the makeup. Wow, mukhang tao na ako. So yeah, I'm just gonna spray the Badescu facial spray again. And then we are done. So that is it for today's video. I'm gonna go to class now because education is important. So I'm gonna change now. See you guys later. This is my everyday makeup look for school. So yeah, Peace out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. You know the drill. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.